Greetings to everyone. Let us discuss about the increasing cases of electricity thefts in India. As electricity is an essential part of our life and we are dependent on electricity to meet our basic demands. Like in many poor countries, economic growth is hindered by inadequate and regular supplies of electricity. Electricity problem is one of the major problems faced by the people of India. In our daily life, there is a widespread role of revenues. It also reduces the ability of paying in the public sector for the maintenance of existing facilities and investing them in the power generations. As electricity is an essential part, it is also widely used in the agriculture sector like irrigation to extract water from the well. To help the farmers, there are different kind of schemes and subsidies started by the government of India to help the poor and the needy farmers. There are several causes which leads to electricity thefts are poverty, price, corruption, unemployment, inefficiency and crime, lack of infrastructure. More than 20% of electricity is being stolen by the different companies. According to a report published by the Northeast Group, the Indian power sector loses around $16.2 billion to theft every year. Von Gardner, the president of Northeast Group, stated that India loses more than money to power thefts than any other countries. Nationally, total transmission and distribution losses approaches 23% and in some states it exceeds more than 50%. According to the World Bank estimate, power theft reduces India's GDP around 15%. A recent study by NDTV also concluded that 10% of electricity is still unpaid in India. At last, the Union Ministry has suggested that in order to combat worsened challenges of rural electrification, power distribution companies should raise awareness among public. The Indian government has also emphasized on rationalization of cost of connection for rural households and rationalization of tariffs in line with tariff policy of 2016. In November 2014, PM Modi announced $4 billion in funding for smart metering programs.